Good morning. We are in Port Canaveral getting ready to board the MSC Seashore, and we're heading to Ocean Key, Cozumel, and Costa. Come with us. We're on the MSC Seashore, and this is an interior. Let's have a look here. We got 2 beach towels, 2 nightstands. There are USB ports on one side of the. There's a USB port on one side of the bed. We have a smaller closet than I'm used to. We're used to the double closets, but I mean it's enough space. And then over here we have the safe, and we have some drawers. Here we have the television, the refrigerator, and and more drawers. The TV pulls out from the wall so you can see it from the bed. It's got 2 USBs and 2 regular power outlets, and there is a charger for your phone. The bathroom is small, but it's manageable. Little tight, but the shower is very doable here. And now let's find Anna. Where is Anna? Anna's right outside the door. And you have to use your card in order to activate the lights. It will not work with any other card, as I've tried. Canaveral at Hola Tacos. Good. We have a reservation for 7:30. Little guacamole and chips to start the day. We got 2 carne asadas and 1 al pastor.
Before our spectacular show, give me a nice big wave and a cheer if you just arrived today! Wow, welcome on board MSC Seashore, alright, give me a nice big wave and a cheer if you do not have to go to work tomorrow! That's right, we are here to look after you and entertain you, and we have got a brilliant cruise coming up. Now, who's excited for Ocean Cay tomorrow? Anybody? Yeah. You're going to have a beautiful time, an island that was discovered in 2015, once was a sand mining site, and then in 2018 MSC said we're going to transform it, and they did, and it is paradise. You're going to have a beautiful time tomorrow. Now, as well as the beautiful shows, we've got a group of people that are going to entertain you every single day with a variety of different activities from morning all the way till late evening. And I want you to say hello to them now. So please put your hands together and welcome our cruise star.
See the